Auckland to celebrate these two girls' birthday. And I said, okay. And she goes, but not to worry of anything. She will pay my fare here and back. But I told her I come by plane, I go back by bus when I'm ready. Because I don't like to catch the plane from Nainai back here and back to Nainai. I'm had enough of Nainai. And she goes, okay, my Nana, but let me know when I'm ready so she can pay my fare, me and my son, Mohini. I said, that would be nice. But when I came on Wednesday, nobody loves me. They left me at the airport. I was hungry, I was cold, I was crying, I was panicked. I said, look at this attitude of Auckland. Nobody loves to come and wait for me. But finally, my niece, Michelle.
Oh, Michelle, yes, they love you.
But it was nice. I will go back with the joy in my heart to see all of my family, especially my sisters.
Oh, beautiful.
I haven't seen them for a long, long time.
Yes, that's lovely.
And all my niece, because it's only me in Wellington. I'm a Wanji Hill. Just me. I don't know any Niuean, but I can see lots of Takamoy. Sorry, brother.
It's all right. You do it for us.
Yeah, it's only me. I don't know any Niuean. I hardly see them. So I'm on my own. And my beautiful children, beautiful grandchildren. So I praise God. I give thanks to the Lord. Because my health been on pills for 24 pills a day.
Oh,
So I doctor my own self.
oh, good on you.
Only about 3-4 months now I never take any pills.
Wow.
But I look at the one above.
Yes.
I say, God, it's all up to you. My life on you. But you're the one who bring me to this world. I praise God.
Oh, that's good.
And yeah, I enjoy it anyway.
Oh, good.
Especially my sister Mocha and my niece, my in-law there, my nephew. Yeah, thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Yeah, wow, okay.
I'm very glad to be given this opportunity. And I would like to convey my sincere gratitude to the girls. You look so beautiful today, man. You were always beautiful.
Yeah. You're more beautiful.
I'm so glad that your mom has invited us. Look at the number. It's only special people to be here and to be invited in this kind of occasion and to sit beside the Reverend. I'm blessed today to I was a bit shy to go over there when my sister Mary said, brother, your seat is over there beside the Reverend. I can't bring the but I respect you more, Pastor Reverend. I'm so blessed to meet you before and I actually talk to you. So feel like humbled to be there. And I remember the twins when they were young and my wife used to go and either pick them up from school or drop them off to school when they were little. And I was so happy that actually your auntie has done some, when your mom was working overseas and your Nana used to When sometimes I say, why you guys always want to ride in my car? Anyway, I'm glad to be given this opportunity. Thank you so much. I got my sister Mahina has said a lot for us today, so bless everybody and bless you more, and may God bless you abundantly. And
Yes.
make your dreams come true.
Ooh.
And I remember when I took for Mocha for her testing, free testing. No, I never tested my family, I never tested my in-laws. I'm not allowed to do that. But I've been a testing officer for 6 years now. Been a driving instructor for 13 years. And I have tested more than 12,000 people. And I prepare them for Mocha for a test. And so far, I have training a lot of Niueans and my family's relatives. She was the best from her side.
Oh.
I was very impressed that this girl can drive.
Yeah.
I know her dad is a very close friend of mine. I used to be very close with Rick before he moved up north. And this girl can show me your skills, man. I don't know whether it's yours or my sister. Anyway, thank you very much for the opportunity. God bless us all.
Thank you.
Yeah.